Today, Pastor and I are going to read you a story out of our Bible book. And the story is called The Boys and Girls and Jesus. Every day, Jesus was very busy. He made sick eyes see. He made sick legs walk.
And every day Jesus was busy. I mean, he was talking with people and he told people how good God is.
Every day, lots of daddies and mommies came to hear Jesus talk. Grandpas and grandmas and friends came too. Some days
there were too many people to get inside of a house. Then the daddies and the mommies and the grandpas and the grandmas and the friends
stood right out in the sunshine and they listened to what Jesus said. Look at all the mommies and daddies.
It's a lot of people. And one day somebody asked, do you think Jesus would put his hands on our boys and girls and pray for them? Do you think he would?
What do you think, guys? Do you think? Let's see. Somebody else said, well, yes, I think he would. So down the street they went.
The daddies and the mommies and the grandpas and the grandmas and their boys and girls on the way to Jesus.
Well, Jesus' friends saw them coming, and Jesus' friends said, no, don't bring children to Jesus. He is too busy. How do you think they felt?
I don't think he's too busy.
You don't think he's too busy? Let's see.
Not at all. Let's see. But when Jesus saw what was happening, he didn't say no. What do you think he said? What do you guys think? He didn't say no. Jesus said yes. That's awesome.
Let the little children come to me, he said. Then Jesus reached down and he picked up the boys and the girls one by one.
And he put his arms around them and loved them. He put his hands on them and he prayed.
Well, Jesus' friends thought, oh, Jesus is not too busy for boys and girls. He loves them.
And after the children had been on Jesus' lap, the daddies and the mommies and the grandpas and the grandmas, they took them home.
So in today's story, we learned what, guys? Who does Jesus love? Who does Jesus love?
This reminds me that Jesus loves everybody. It doesn't matter how small we are, how little we are. Jesus loves all of us. He loves you guys. And I want you to remember that every single day. To know that no matter what's going on in your life, no matter how you're feeling, if you're sad or if you're happy, Jesus is always going to be there with you.
So I thought we could end with a song. Are you ready? I think you all know this song. Can you sing it with me? Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Remember, everybody, that Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.
All right. See you guys.